Jefferson County.
A severe
SVR.
thunderstorm was located near Kearneysville or near Martinsburg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Shepherdstown, Ranson, Harpers Ferry, Kearneysville, Corporation of Ranson, Bolivar, Shenandoah Junction, Midway, Moeller Crossroads, Howtown, Millville, Buckkerton, and Ripon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe weather safety rules. Severe thunderstorms are possible through this evening. Residents across northern Virginia, much of Maryland, and the eastern West Virginia Panhandle should monitor the situation very closely and ensure your NOAA weather radios are set to alert mode. Severe weather warnings for imminent damaging storms may become necessary. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind when severe weather is expected or is occurring. If a warning is issued, seek shelter indoors immediately. A severe thunderstorm is defined as producing quarter-size or greater hail and damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or more. Tornadoes often form very rapidly from severe thunderstorms. If you are in a tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for your area, monitor local conditions closely and be ready to take quick action to save your life. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, information sources from your phone, or television for the latest on this potential severe weather event. Additional weather information can be found at weather.gov/Washington or weathergovernor/Baltimore. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hagerstown and Martinsburg area and the surrounding WXM42 listening area. Partly sunny with
Check that out.
showers and thunderstorms.
Severe thunderstorm warning and CO1C PM 605. Okay, that's cool. At 605. So that's cool, it'll actually do the cycling. Let's see if it'll... No. Okay, cool. Awesome.